it, so we've got one left hand and right hand. As you can see, it runs very smoothly. If I just open it points there. And you can see that performance on this is not very good. So that's a bit of a shock and a bit of a surprise. A little bit of a stutter. That stayed on. That's quite a weak sort of stutter there. Yeah, it's obviously quite a lot there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, need to investigate this a bit closer. Just take it very slow. Okay, so the problem seems to be occurring right on the change of oil. Yeah, something really lumpy there. Okay, so it seems to be there, but slightly a couple of little. That doesn't feel too bad actually. It'll probably be okay. Let's try that. Nope, still not good. I think that is that lump there that's doing that. There's a little bit of a gap in the rail. Not an awful lot I can do about that actually, because that's the way it happened, but I don't think that that's actually the problem. It's still getting a little thump as it goes over there. It looks like it'll probably make it now. Let's give it a little bit more speed. Okay, now a closer look at this, and I think actually what the problem might be is that if you look at the first part of the actual rail here, as it comes in, there's a definite lip here. That's not good. You can see there's a bit of a gap. And there's a little bit notchy feel to this. I think that's actually what it's catching on. Okay, now what I've actually tried here is I've just tried tweaking this upper rail a little bit with the pliers. I think I can actually alter the position of this very slightly by just giving it a little bit of a tweak. And that feels a little bit better to me. I've still got stuck in a different place now, but it's a little bit smaller. Okay. think that's the frog. Oh, not bad. Let's take this a little bit closer. Thank you.